Good afternoon, ngayon po ay August 16, 2026 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong August 16, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas ang para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong August 16, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 16, 2026, Sunday. Here are the tonnage jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, August 16, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of August 16, 2026, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.